This is Dee with Divine Needle, and it is the age of Aquarius. Oh, February 23rd, 2021. Whew, happy Tuesday. Mm. Let's see what's in store for those on missions down here. Yesterday I got a vision, um, a waking one. Had my eyes closed, but it was while I was awake. It was a city burning, and it was a city next to water, a large body of water. That's all they showed me. Not sure what it means, whether it's symbolic or actual, but I guess we'll see. Anyway, energy's weird, but Mercury, went direct and marching forward now. So it's interesting, the Sabian symbol, um, with Mercury moving with the rest of the planets is officers on dress parade, marching forward. I think everything's progressing as it should, basically. All right, the energy for those down here on missions, some sort of theme or whatever information you want to give us, please. That was quick. Consciousness and understanding. Consciousness and understanding. I feel like these cards belong together. And it's basically a heads up or remembering that we're all connected to each other. Our conscious thoughts, our conscious dreams, our connectedness in every way. Consciousness. And it's funny because I see the dove rising towards the others. The birds like that symbolize angels. And it looks like the others are coming down to meet the one. The one. This almost feels like breaking through reality in a portal. Hmm. This card, um, the galactic family coming down through space and time to meet the one, possibly. All right, let's get into Tuesday for those down here on missions. What's the overall energy? Give us an FYI. What's the overall energy today? So we have a heads up. Okay. The Giver, Six of Orbs. The Emperor, Major Arcana Key 4, Stronghold of the Veil. That is the Earth Page. And the Journeyman, 8 of Orbs. That's overall energy today. What's our highest priority for today? What is the highest priority for today? Okay. Magus, Archangel of Mysteries, manifest. That is the King of Earth. It's a she. The King of Earth is a female. And what do we need to be mindful of and or prepare for? The Dynasty. Heck yeah. The Dynasty coming down. That ain't no joke. Sword of Destiny, Truth and Clarity. On the bottom, manifesting the Dynasty. Whew. I knew that was much more than the very words on the bottom of the card. It's about the pictures for this deck for me more than it is the words. Sometimes the pictures on the other decks will speak to me beyond what the card is. But those images right there, the cosmic family coming to meet and greet the one. Oh, coming down for additional support team. Could be. Let's take a sneak peek. Sneak peek underneath this ace. The Contender, 5 of Scepters, the Angel, a Divine Higher Genius, and the Lovers, 10 of Cups, Knight of Swords, the Erudite, very nice. The Contender is the one. All right. Sacred Cinnabar, Ace of Swords, consummating. That is the aha moment. It's also the crown. And nothing but truth and clarity. Woo! Gotta love that one. I love that card. Realization comes to you. This is the aha moment. Comes to you in an instant, and your knowledge will deepen. Air is alchemizing in your world, materializing as intellectual property, achievement of glory, or social advancement. If you take up the sword to fight, to work, to invest, the effort and toil, then victory will be yours. You conquer others when you conquer yourself. High achievement. Highest achievement of all. Overall energy for Tuesday, or Wednesday, no, Tuesday. What's today? Tuesday. Tuesday. Wow. Lead in the britches today, I guess. The Giver. Maintaining the balance. Giving but willing to receive too. Six of Orbs. Let the karmic circle remain unbroken. Give to receive, but give back. The giver is the spirit of provision. Seeking anonymity, the giver shows only the hand in offering. Yet know this about the many names of the giver. And Isidora, the giver of gifts. In the Six of Orbs, we also see the divine blessings of Demeter, who gifts you with material success. When the giver appears to you, the spirit of nurture is all around you. Give freely, mercifully, and you will receive freely and mercifully. And then we have the Emperor right here. Key 4, Major Arcana. Controlling energy, fathering energy. Key 4. When the Emperor appears to you, your power of self-determination is being affirmed. You have the power to determine what is and what will be for yourself. Your task, define your destination and then lead the charge. The Emperor appears when you are being called to direct and reign. Overcome your fears, because it is now time for you to conquer new frontier. Wield your authority with aplomb. So being a very balanced, giving and receiving Emperor. That's the card of Aries, by the way, the Emperor card. Stronghold of the Veil. That is the Earth page. The Stronghold of the Veil comes bearing an important message to you, or an opportunity about your assets and resources, money or business matters, and that which relates to your personal economics and industry. When the Stronghold of the Veil appears in a reading, the offer, events, or opportunities to come are ones that will help you make your mark in your world. These are opportunities for establishing yourself. Perhaps there's a mundane matter you are facing at the moment or will face. The Page of Orbs may appear to you to offer insights on how to best navigate the situation. The Stronghold of the Veil appears when you need to hear whispers of counsel on what measures to take next. Of all the pages, she is the most connected to everyday ongoings of your world, of mortal and earthly life. She also appears to guide you through shadow work. The presence of the Stronghold of the Veil can also be an emissary sent from the underworld, which we're in, a divinity of earth, vegetation, a divinity of wealth, a liminal deity, one of crossroads, thresholds, and gateways, or pantheon from the Western Hemisphere. So either the Emperor is offering or the Emperor is going to be receiving one. The Journeyman, Eight of Orbs, hard dedicated work. The journeyman is the spirit of apprenticeship, of perfecting one's craft, of routine work that leads to mastery. This is also the spirit of prudence. When the journeyman appears to you, you are being called to apply discipline, a strong work ethic, and perseverance to hone your skills in a particular trade. The journeyman is the grind of dedicated work, practice, and careful methodical study of a specialized craft. Note the orb set into the master's staff. This is prophetic of an adept who is currently an apprentice, but who will someday exceed the master. It has been foretold you will become the warrior, or the erudite, or perhaps the healer. One of these three paths manifested. That is the prophecy of the journeyman. Behind the journeyman and into the dark woods, can you see the forest through the trees? When the journeyman appears to you, look again at your surroundings. Can you discern the holistic pattern from the details? Try to understand the bigger picture. So this is about your spiritual, material foundations, general, overall today. Your highest priority is to manifest. Key 1, the Magus. This is a really good reading. The Magus is the personification of creative thought. When this key appears to you, the call to action is exercising the powers of your mind and you will achieve your greatest potential. The Magus appears to you now to help you manifest discipline and focus toward mastery over your own innate talents. Never forget, you have the capability to manifest your thoughts into reality. That is the divinity in man and the powers embedded within your spirit. Embody the alchemist and transmute what is of little value to what is of great value. Invent and reinvent. You know, this card is the one that shows the snake and as above, so below. As above, so below. Interesting. Manifest. Manifest. King of Earth. Archangel of Mysteries. Angel who illuminates the shadow. Manifest the illumination of the shadow. That's my job. Revelations. But you all are more than welcome to do the same. Archangel of Mysteries. King of Earth. The King of Orbs is the Archangel of Mysteries. Another one of her many names is the Archangel of Revelations. Why and how? Everything will be revealed. The truth. Sword of Destiny. Yep. Can't make this reading up, can we? Revelations. Hope you guys are watching the other channel, Divine, because they're definitely giving me instructions here. It's about the dynasty. They're coming. Yep. Portals. Interesting topic. Anyway, she is the Archangel of Revelations. She's the angel that asked the Archangel Uriel to set Azazel and Semyaza free because Judgment Day is coming. That happened. She is a beneficent guide connected to the underworld. Yes, this is the underworld. One authorized to act as an intermediary and mediator between the angelic realm, still subservient to the divine and the realm of the fallen angels. That's where we're at. She can also traverse through all of the lower realms to guide lost souls. That's the plan. The Archangel of Mysteries appears now because these qualities and powers of protection of hers are needed by you. The King of Orbs illuminates the darkness for you who are about to traverse the realms of shadow. You are about to uncover great mysteries. Yes, which will be revealed. Trust. This is the Archangel who protects you against all forms of darkness along your initiatory path of discovery. The King of Orbs is a great provider. You, too, are a great provider to others. With her lantern, the Archangel of Mysteries illuminates crossroads. She is a great master of spells and incantations. The ears of corn symbolize the seeds of spiritual enlightenment through the erudite study of esoteric practices. You manifest your material abundance through spiritual abundance. So, manifesting our material abundance through spiritual abundance and revealing the mysteries. It is the book of Revelations, the age of Aquarius, the age of enlightenment, when all things will be revealed. It is also known as the apocalypse, which simply means all things that were once hidden are brought to light. It's not a word you fear at all. What to be mindful of, prepare for the dynasty. Ten of Orbs. Very good. What to be mindful of and or prepare for. Super good. The dynasty is wealth multiplied. In the foreground, the old man, and remember, wealth isn't just money or material things. You have to remember this plane is pretty much an illusion for the most part. Do we still have to have money to continue with our missions? Absolutely. It's necessary. It's not easy for most of us because we're working against forces that are working against us. So I do understand this need to at least be comfortable while we're doing our missions, and that it usually is very difficult. The dynasty is the spirit of collective power that strengthens a tribe. The theme here is successorship. Yep, the crown. It can also suggest the personal impact on you of much greater national or global affairs. Wonder if that has anything to do with the vision I had yesterday. City on fire. Next to water. Something greater going on in the collective has reached down to directly affect you at the individual or personal level. What the Ten of Orbs pretends is gains to be had from that impact. While the Ten of Orbs marks the pinnacle of material wealth and success, the Book of Thoth reminds us that the success will quickly go inert, and from that inertia degenerate and rot, if the pinnacle is not immediately put to productive use toward the greater good. Thus, with the benefits and gains you shall reap, you must direct those benefits and gains toward a greater good. Do not harvest all the blessings for yourself. Wow. I was not expecting a profound reading. It's very profound. Working with others. Manifesting. Being the King of Earth. And the dynasty. Incoming help. The pictures, not the words on the cards. Incoming help from another realm. We are all connected. Seeing the birds coming down to the one. Yeah. Okay. Anything outgoing you guys want to tell us? Yes. We are the world. consciousness. See how these two cards feel like they tie together almost with the stars in the background? It doesn't matter what the color of your skin is, how you were brought up, your religion, or anything else. You're all created by the One. The One. Key 10. Another 10. Right above the dynasty. You are the dynasty. That's why everybody's working so hard to help. Because you're the brothers and sisters, the children of the One. Wow, profound reading for a Tuesday. I wasn't expecting that. Nope. Heads up, city on fire. So, I don't know what it means precisely. Perhaps we will in the next day or two. Anyway, remember who loves you more than you can possibly know. The One, the Archangel of Mysteries, the King of Earth, is a she. She loves you. Have a grand Tuesday. Tomorrow's hump day, so it'll be a weekly reading. Have a good day. Remember, march forward. Officers on dress parade. They're marching in line, step by step, one foot in front of the other. And I want to dedicate this to a good friend that's going through a bit of a tower moment right now. Sending angels. Love you.